Welcome to Nettys Amazing House. Welcome to Nettys Amazing House. How you doing? I'm blessed. You're blessed. How you doing? How you doing? Today, I'm repeating one of my recipes. Yes, my first YouTube recipe that I made, my rum cake cheesecake. I'll be doing it over again. Just doing it just because I have to make one for someone. So why not video it, right? So I'll be making my delicious rum cake cheesecake, New York style cheesecake with a Jamaican flip. My ingredients are all right here, and yes, I'll be using the box graham cracker. That's what I used the last time. It was delicious, and I'll be using it again today. So let's get started. And I'll use about 3 cups. Well, the package is 3 cups anyways. And this is about 4 tablespoons melted butter. I'll add to my graham cracker. Cheesecake is so easy to make, guys. You could make all different types of cheesecake. Bailey's cheesecake. I did bake a rum cake cheesecake. Oh my gosh, guys, that was a delicious cheesecake. Rum and Raisin cheesecake was inspired by when I went to Jamaica. I went to this place, Devon House. It's a Jamaican iconic place where they sell different flavor ice cream, different types of cakes, and I saw this rum and raisin cheesecake, and boy was it delicious. So I said I had to bake this, and I did, and everyone in love with it. It was so tasty. This is a 9-inch baking pan, springform pan. I greased and had parchment paper. Dumping my graham cracker in. So spread it evenly. I'll bake this for 5 minutes. That is my graham cracker in the fridge. Cool. Now for my cheesecake batter. So I'll be using 2 of this 500 gram cream cheese. Scrape the bottom of my pan to make sure and ensure that all my cream cheese is getting whipped. And now I'll be adding 1 1/3 cup sugar. As you know, the cream cheese is already have that tangy taste. Balance it out with the sugar. Okay, 2 teaspoons vanilla. Here it is, guys, the star of the show. Raisin soaking in rum. I'll be adding in the raisin before I add in the eggs, because you know, once you add your eggs in, you don't want to over whisk. Don't want to overbeat because you don't want your cake to be too fluffy. It's about 1.5 cups raisin, right? We want a lot of raisin in this cake. Sure that some of my raisins get broken up into the mixture. And this is 3 tablespoons flour. This is a lot of raisin. You want a lot of raisin? You're getting a lot of raisin. You can either add sour cream or lemon. Don't have any sour cream, so I'll be adding lemon just to give it that extra tangy taste. Now I'll be squeezing in half of this lemon using my finger as the sieve. I will give it a mix. Another taste test. That lemon did what it was supposed to do. So now I'll be adding in 4 eggs, and I'll be adding 1 at a time. Let's give this a scrape. Guys, if you're interested in this mixer that I'm using, I'll be adding a link in my description, an affiliate link where you could easily get this same KitchenAid mixer. That's it. This is it. Give it a proper scrape. perfect, the right amount. I always forget to add my foil at the bottom because we don't want this to leak out in the oven. Caught it! Better late than never. Now I'll put this in the oven at 300 degrees for 1 hour and 30 to 40 minutes. There it is. And now the waiting process. What to do now? I need a hero. I'm holding up for a hero that into the night. He's gotta be good and he's gotta be right and he's gotta be as for the fight. I need a hero. So we'll be back when my cake is out the oven. Guys, I'm back to make the topping for my cheesecake. So I'll be making this delicious sauce with these dark cherry to give it that bang. This is the time where I add my white rum. Now this will set aside to cool before I add to my cheesecake. It will go in the fridge. Wow, look at this. Nice. This will stay right here and cool, or maybe I'll put it in the fridge for a faster cooling before I add it to the top of my cheesecake, and I'll be back. Nettys amazing house. Nettys amazing house. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Nettys amazing house. Share, 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 share with your friends, your family, your loved ones. All your enemies too. But we don't keep enemies around here, eh? If they don't like us, they will have to like us. They just can't help it. I need a hero. This is my cheesecake before I had the sauce. My delicious cherry rum sauce is going right on top. So guys, my cheesecake is ready. This delicious cherry rum sauce will be going right on top. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And I'm sorry guys, I won't be able to cut this cake to let you guys see because this cake will be going somewhere. So from my amazing house to yours, one love. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share to Nettys amazing house. And I'll see you next time. Love you, Nettys amazing house.